Have you ever wondered how the big, sweet, and fragrant jackfruits from Vietnam's Mekong Delta are grown and harvested? Today we'll explore the meticulous journey of farmers, from nurturing each jackfruit tree to harvesting the golden ripe fruits. Join us as we uncover the unique farming techniques behind this delicious tropical fruit in Electric Train Sparkles. The Mekong Delta in Vietnam, also known as the Western region, is a fertile land with an extensive network of rivers and canals, enriched by alluvial deposits year-round. This region is famous for its lush orchards filled with abundant fruit trees, creating a vibrant and lively natural landscape. Among the many specialty fruits, jackfruit is one of the most widely grown. Vast green jackfruit orchards stretch across provinces like Tiên Giang, Ben Tre, and Vinh Long. Thanks to the tropical climate and nutrient-rich soil, Mekong Delta jackfruits have a uniquely delicious flavor, with thick, golden yellow, and sweet segments. Local farmers tend to their jackfruit trees with great dedication, from selecting the best varieties, pruning branches, and using organic fertilizers to harvesting. Each ripe jackfruit is carefully picked to ensure the highest quality before being distributed to domestic and international markets. Visitors to the Mekong Delta can not only enjoy the fresh, flavorful jackfruits, but also explore the lush orchards and experience the simple, yet warm-hearted lifestyle of the southern Vietnamese people. Since many jackfruit orchards in the Mekong Delta were previously rice fields, farmers use excavators to quickly prepare the land, ensuring proper drainage and soil elevation. First, excavators dig drainage ditches about 50 to 80 centimeters deep along the fields. The excavated soil is then piled up to form raised beds, approximately 50 to 80 centimeters high and 1.5 to 2 meters wide, preventing waterlogging. Next, the raised beds are leveled, mixed with organic fertilizers, and left to dry for 7 to 10 days to eliminate pests and diseases. Thanks to excavators, the land preparation process becomes much faster and more efficient, reducing labor costs and allowing farmers to plant young jackfruit trees in well-prepared soil. Caring for a jackfruit orchard requires patience and meticulous attention from farmers to ensure healthy growth, high yields, and premium quality fruit. Right after planting, jackfruit trees need regular watering, especially during the dry season, to maintain soil moisture. However, since jackfruit trees are sensitive to waterlogging, pre-dug drainage ditches help protect their roots during the rainy season. Fertilization also plays a crucial role in orchard care. Young trees require nitrogen-rich fertilizers to promote rapid growth, while phosphorus and potassium are essential during the flowering and fruiting stages to enhance fruit size, sweetness, and color. Farmers typically use a combination of organic and inorganic fertilizers to ensure balanced nutrition for the trees. Pruning is another important step in jackfruit orchard management. Weak, diseased, or overcrowded branches are removed to improve airflow, maximize sunlight exposure, and reduce the risk of pests and diseases. This helps trees grow evenly and produce well-distributed fruit. Pest control is also a key concern, as threats like stem borers, mealybugs, and fungal infections can weaken trees and lower yields. Farmers regularly monitor their orchards and prioritize biological pest control methods to maintain sustainability and fruit safety. Wrapping jackfruit is an essential step to protect the fruit from insects, fungal diseases, and environmental factors, ensuring high quality and an attractive appearance. When the fruit reaches a size of about 1 to 2 kilograms, Farmers wrap it using plastic bags, mesh, or specialized paper. Before wrapping, the fruit is cleaned to prevent pest infestation inside the cover. The wrapping bags have small holes for ventilation, reducing moisture buildup that could cause rot. This process helps jackfruits grow evenly, maintain a smooth outer skin, increase market value, and reduce damage during harvest. Harvesting jackfruit is a crucial process that requires careful handling to prevent scratches or damage during transportation. When the fruit reaches the desired ripeness, farmers use sharp knives to cut the stem, leaving a short portion to prevent jackfruit sap from sticking to the fruit. After cutting, the fruit is gently placed on the ground or a protective mat to avoid impact. In the Mekong Delta, where an extensive network of rivers and canals exists, boats are the primary means of transportation. Farmers navigate along the canal banks, collecting jackfruit from various orchards. The fruit is carefully arranged on the boat, often cushioned with straw or sacks to prevent scratches. Once the boat is full, they transport the jackfruit to a central gathering point, usually a riverside dock or a nearby warehouse. At the collection site, jackfruit is sorted based on size, weight, and quality before being loaded onto trucks for distribution. Fruits meeting export standards are typically large, with smooth, undamaged skin, while those for the domestic market may have more flexible grading requirements. Thanks to waterway transportation, jackfruit is collected efficiently and with minimal damage compared to road transport. This harvesting and distribution process helps farmers sell their produce conveniently, ensuring that the fruit reaches traders in optimal condition, ready for both local and international markets. You've just explored the journey of growing, caring for, and harvesting jackfruit in the Mekong Delta, a fertile land filled with lush orchards. From repurposed rice fields to golden, ripe jackfruit, every step reflects the hard work and dedication of local farmers. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more fascinating content about Vietnamese agriculture. See you in the next video.